Everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and it's Jenny. Yep, that's me, the Crazy Country Couponer, and her crazy friends. Yep, you know, I don't know what's going on today. So much is going on, it's taken me a couple of days to get my head around it, guys. It's been a while since we've had it this good. And you know you want to know. So come on in, like the video on your way. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, or it's your first time stopping by, well, you don't want it to be the last. So look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss any deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here, and we have it all the time. Alright, everybody, super stoked and excited. We got clearance sale fast approaching. We've got all kinds of awesome coupons that we can spend any time of the week. And we had bonuses this week. If you spent $25 at Dollar General this week, check your accounts, because you have a 5 off of $25 that you can use any day of the week. So let's hop in to what we did get now, and what couple of, well, really awesome daily deals I've got for you. Now this is the first one. Now this is a triple dip glitch deal. Now if you are in an older operating system store, this is going to give you overage, okay? If you're not in an older operating system store, it's simply going to give you free items, so you know. Now on this one, you're going to pick up a Crest Pro Health toothpaste, and it needs to be the Pro Health Free and Clear, and that's going to give you a earn cash back on your account of $1, and you have a $2 off coupon for that. So right then and there, you're only paying 35 cents for that tube of toothpaste. Next, you're going to pick up 2 bright and clean toothbrushes, because they are glitching and attaching to this $3 coupon, and in an older operating system store, it's going to give you overage. Okay, so you're going to pick up that. Now your math for this is $5.35. Your coupons is $5, so you'll be paying 35 cents. But then you're going to earn back $1, guys. So that actually makes this a money-making deal. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And if you don't have the cash back yet on your app, go and see if it will update, because this is being put out regionally, I do believe, and you don't want to miss out on any of these cash back glitches. So that's your first one. So since we're talking about glitches, let's go ahead and talk about glitches, because we've got several digital glitches, and some of them just posted today. So let's have a look. Now, as we look through these, I'm also going to point out some other coupons that we have not had recently, or not had at all. And this is one of them. We're going to be doing a quick pick deal using the spend 9 save 2, and I will show you that before the video is over. That is going to be part of your daily deal. Now we also have a save 2 when you spend 10 on Act Popcorn, Handicap, Dukes, Slim Jim, Orville Redenbacher's, Angie's, or Boom Chicka Boom, Big Mama, or David Snacks. So, time for the kids to go back to school. If you purchase these kind of things, you're going to save $2 on 10. Now, we also have this new off coupon. The new off coupon is for the can of off, and your glitch there is for your earn. You are getting an earn and the coupon. Your next glitch is this $1 off of 9 lives. It's working on the $1.95 9 lives bag. Well, the next one is just an awesome buy. Your Bugle and your Chex Mixes, the dollar ones, The 75-cent off 2 is attaching to that, so you'll get 2 of these for $1.25. Winner deal. Next, we're having 50 cent off the 2 of the Mott's or Scooby Snacks. That's working on the dollar one, making the 2 of those for $1.50. Now, we also have this Earn Glitch. It is a $2 coupon off the finished Quantum, and you also have an earn of $6. So you're getting $8 off, or excuse me, well, not off. You're going to get $2 off and $6 back, guys. Next up is just another good deal. Your International Delight canned coffees. There's 2 varieties. Oreo is one of them. And you have got a $1 off coupon for that. And these are $2.75. So you'll be paying $1.75 for that coffee. Great filler item. The Scope Classic mouthwash on your travel is glitching and attaching to this $1 coupon, making it absolutely free and a great filler. Your 2 Pantene is glitching and attaching to the travel Pantene, making it 50 cents for 2. Now, we have the $5 Caesar multi-pack back again. And again, it is glitching and giving you cash back when you purchase. So this is a money maker, guys. This is $8.70, I believe, or 75 cents. You're going to pay $3 and change, and you're going to get back $5 to spend any way you want. Now that is a winner deal. Now another good deal, we got 50 cents off of the Suave deodorant, and it's working off the $1.50 deodorant. So now $4 coupon on the Body Love products. These things are still on the clearance aisle. Yes, this coupon expires 8/19. It will be active during clearance. During clearance, this will be $3 and change, which means if you're in an older operating system store, you'll get overage. At best, you will get some free Dove Love body wash. Now, if you do happen to find it and it's not on the clearance, it's still a good deal because it's $8. But this one seems to be attaching only to the $6.15 one, which is what is on clearance. So, $4 off, guys. Winner deal. Next big glitch is the $7 stem products. You're going to pick up 2 of these. You've got a coupon for $7.50 on 2. And then you've got a earn glitch for 3. So that is a winner deal right there. That's $10.50 coming off a $14 purchase any day of the week. And even if you don't use this stuff this year, it will still be good come next season. Okay, some just great fillers and good deals. We've got the Febreze $2.30 coupon again for the car. Febreze, we have a $3.25 one of those. It's laundry fresh smell. Makes it 95 cents. Same goes for the small spaces. Okay, this is not a glitch. It is just a good deal. You've got $1 off when you purchase 1 family size Oreo cookie, $4.65. It's going to make that $3.65. You also have $1 off a store coupon if you purchase 2. Okay? Now, we also have this. Okay? And that leads us into our next part of our daily deal. You've got a $1 store coupon when you spend 5. You've got a $2 off when you spend 9 on the listed products. And you have $1 off on the Oreos. Now, if you pick up 2 of the family size Oreos, you are going to be at $9. They are $4.65. So you will be at $9. And 3 for sure will come off. because both of these are store coupons, the $2 and the $1, only the $2 will apply. Unless you just purchase one. Now, if you just purchase one, then you'll get $1 off that Oreo, and it will be $3.65. Okay, I'm coming back to the Dunkaroo singles. They're $1.75. The glitch that's on, excuse me, this is not a glitch. This is just a good deal because it is an earn of $1 off of one of those. And this deal does expire in 24 hours, so this will be gone. This is a today-only deal. These Dunkaroos are a today-only deal. They are 75 cents. You're going to earn $1 back. So out of pocket, you're going to spend $1.75, but you're going to get $1 back on your account. Another earn deal that expires in 24 hours is the Betty Crocker. You have a digital coupon, save $1 on 3, and then you have an earn on any variety, any size. But you must purchase 2 to qualify. So this will work. It's going to be approximately $6 for 3, and you're going to get $2 off. So that's going to leave you paying $4 for 3 boxes of cake mix, because it's your cake mix that's $1.85. So guys, now we're back here to our another daily deal, and it is using this spend 9 save 2 on things that we can consume, that we get to eat, our favorite kind of savings. Now we've got coupons for Ritz Bites and cash back for Ritz Bites and Triscuits. So we're going to do a double dip deal using those items. The Triscuit is earning 75 cents back, no coupon. They are $2.95. Your Ritz Bits or Bites, which are basically little Ritz crackers with peanut butter in them or cheese, right here, are $3.95. You have to pick up 2 of these. So you're going to pick up a box of Triscuit crackers and a box and 2 boxes of these Ritz Bits. Boy, tongue tires for sure. Now this is going to be $10 and some change here. $10.85. So you're out of pocket after everything is said and done with your earned cash back. It's going to be $6.10 for 3 boxes of snacks. So approximately $2 and pennies for each box. So we've got you 2 daily deals today. One you can eat, and one you can brush your teeth with after you eat it. So there you go, guys. Now, last but not least, don't forget we are doing gift card giveaways. And how you get in on that, you've got to watch 2 consecutive videos. We're doing the choosing on every other video. So you got to watch 2 consecutively. Have liked and shared and commented on those things. And the gift card drawing will be random, with random denominations, because we're going to have like 3 different denominations, and we're going to just draw one out of the hat. So it's all going to be a big surprise, but you have to attend to get in. So blessings, and we'll talk to you again real soon, my crazy friends.